Hey guys, it's Sophie. Welcome back to our channel. I'm super excited to be back with another makeup tutorial for you guys. Today I'm using the Colourpop Just My Look palette, and I just thought that I would play around with some green eyeshadow today. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. And also please leave any suggestions on future videos down in the comment section down below. I would love to hear what you guys want to see from us. But yeah, I'm just going to jump right into the tutorial. So first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids, and I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. And I love using this concealer as a primer because it is hydrating and full coverage. So I'm just applying a nice even base and then setting it with some translucent powder. For today's palette, I'm using the Colourpop Just My Look palette, and it's all green shadows. And it's definitely fun to play around with this palette. I am absolutely obsessed with all of the recent Colourpop launches. They're all really amazing, and I've played with all of them. So first thing I'm doing is going into the light green shade, and I'm just applying this into my crease. This is going to be our transition color. And I'm just following the natural shape of my crease. And I am putting tape on that outer edge just because I want a crisp line. If you don't like that look, then you can totally disregard the tape and just go with the natural curve of your eye. So next thing I'm doing is going into this angled brush by Morphe, and I'm going into the shade Act Natural, and I'm just going to start to apply some depth into my crease. So I'm just drawing this line of definition slightly above my natural crease. The reason why I'm not applying this exactly in my crease is because I wanted to give myself a little bit more lid space. So if you need some help on where to apply this line, you can always apply it with your eye open. And then I'm going into this tapered brush, and I'm going into the first light green shade that we applied, and I'm just going in left and right motions, just really diffusing that line. And we are going to be building more depth, so it's just good to really blend it out in between each step. So I'm going into this shade right here, and I'm just going to re-layer it and add more depth. And this is the easiest way for me to add depth and have a nice gradient look. So if you struggle with that, I highly recommend doing it in steps. That way you can blend in between each step and just layer product. So I'm picking up this small tapered brush, and I'm picking up some of that Act Natural shade. And I'm just going in left and right motions, blending out that line and just creating a nice gradient. Next, I'm grabbing this flat angled brush. This one's by Anastasia, and I'm picking up my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Contouring Concealer. And I'm just starting to carve my lid, and just kind of applying this on my lid as well, because if you are going in with metallic shades and your lid color is a little bit inconsistent, then it's going to be hard to apply shadow over top and make it look not patchy. So that's why I applied it on my lid. And then I'm picking up the metallic green shade in the palette, and I'm just patting this over top of that concealer. And I did wet my brush with a little bit of Fix Plus, like I always do, just to get a little bit extra pigment. And yeah, I'm just kind of focusing this to the center of my lid, and then we're going to start to build color on the inner and outer corner. So first I'm just picking up that Act Natural shade with this small tapered brush, and I'm just feathering that shade inward. So next I'm going into this small pencil brush, and I'm going into this shade right here, and I'm just going to start to pat this on the very inner and outer corner just to get more depth. And then we're going to be picking up another brush and just kind of dragging it inward, and it's just going to create a really beautiful gradient. And it's definitely not an everyday eyeshadow look, but I still love just playing with color. And yeah, this tutorial is for those of you guys that love to play with color and just experiment with different types of looks. So I just grabbed that small tapered brush and just feathered it inward, and then I'm just peeling off the tape. And then for lashes, I'm applying my Shop Sophie Bella Bali lashes. If you guys want to check out those lashes, the link will always be in the description box down below. And then last but not least, I'm just applying that light green shade that we popped in our crease, and I'm just diffusing that onto our lower lash line. And then I'm going into my Mad Lash mascara by the Balm, and I'm just coating my lower lashes. And since we have so much drama on the crease in the lid, I just wanted to keep the lower lash line a little bit more natural. And then I grabbed the lime green shade, and I'm using this lip brush, and I just applied that to my inner corner. And this is the finished look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, turn your post notifications on, and then comment down below if you live in the US to be automatically entered for our monthly giveaway. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!